Many people wonder how to enjoy their Netflix movies and shows that they've downloaded on their phone or tablet directly on their TV. It's super frustrating when you can't figure out how to make it work, right? Don't worry, I got you covered with 5 simple steps to get you watching in no time. First, you're going to check if your TV supports screen mirroring or casting. With devices like Chromecast or AirPlay, you can send your downloads directly from your phone or your tablet onto your TV. Next, connect your device using a HDMI cable. It's a great and easy solution for a direct connection. You might have to buy an add-on piece on Amazon to click one into the other. If you have a smart TV, try using the Netflix app on your TV, which might let you access your downloads. Another option is using a streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV, which can help you to access Netflix from your phone. Lastly, don't forget about DLNA or Plex, which can either way make it possible for you to view downloaded content. So you're just a few steps away from enjoying your downloads on the big screen. If this was helpful for you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.